Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we going to know the colors name. Purple color, red color, sky blue color, light green color and orange color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 10. First 1. Number 1. Repeat again. 1. Number 1. Next 2. Number 2. Repeat again. 2. Number 2. Next kids. 3. Number 3. Repeat again. 3. Number 3. Next 4. Number 4. Repeat again. 4. Number 4. Next kids. 5. Number 5. Repeat again. 5. Number 5. Next kids. 6. Number 6. Repeat again. 6. Number 6. Next kids. 7. Number 7. Repeat again. 7. Number 7. Next 8. Number 8. Repeat again. 8. Number 8. Next kids. 9. Number 9. Repeat again. 9. Number 9. Next kids. 10. 1 0 10. Number 10. Repeat again. 1 0 10. Number 10. What we learn? We learn 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 1 0 10 1 0 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.